Boys and girls come out to play, learn to spell the modern way. When you learn your ABC, take a tip from me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's what teacher taught to me. But oh, what a shock she's gonna get when she hears a little rhythm in the alphabet. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P, teacher always picks on me. But I got something, yeah, you bet, a little bit of rhythm in the alphabet. C-A-T spells cat, we know. H-E-N spells hen. Add a little Heidi, Heidi-ho, and add a little water to the G-I-N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Now just once more so we don't forget. A little bit of rhythm, that's the stuff to give 'em. A little bit of rhythm in the alphabet. S-I-X spells half a dozen. X, 3 draws. I-O-U, half a crown. Oh, hello!
With George!
A, B, C, D, L, M, S as well. I told the teacher to go to bed. She had a pain, so we sent for the vet. She had too much rhythm, she had the DTs with them. She had too much rhythm in her alphabet.